What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of Reelin' with Ray. See, we're back out here today doing some catfish and carp fishing. See, it's about noon now. Been set up for about an hour or so. Bite's obviously not going to be right away unless you're real lucky, so gave it a second before starting the intro. So yeah, it's about 50 degrees out right now. Water's a little bit lower than it was last time. So we'll see how today goes. Hopefully good things happen for us. See, starting over here, we got rods 1, 2, and 3. Rod number 1 all the way on the far left. Just got some red worms out there on the bottom. See about getting a channel cat or two. And then rods 2 and 3 here on the far right. Going for carp again, seeing if we have any better luck today than we did last time we were out. So fingers crossed and best wishes to us. Hopefully next clip we got rolling on here, we'll have a fish on the line. All right, guys, we got one on. Yep, he's still on there. Little channel cat, I'm assuming. A little something. Not much of a fighter. Oh, look at that. It's a little drum. Well, there's something we don't catch every day here. Oh, yeah, really good hook set there too. There we go. All right, here we go, y'all. Not something we catch on the daily. Little water, what is that, water buffalo or a drum? Probably the same thing. So yeah, I'll get a couple pictures of him. There he goes. Just funny, usually I catch those on the same bait I use for carp. First time I caught that on worms, but I guess anything out here can eat a worm. So are you kidding me? Wow. I'm at a loss for words losing that one. All right, guys, this one over here all the way on the far right just pulled way out, then line went super slack, so oh, he's on there. He's on there, guys. Here we go. He's pulling pretty good drag, honestly. First carp of the year. There we go. Didn't have the net ready for that one, but here he is, guys. First carp of 2024. Pretty good size. Perfect hook set right there. These strings are getting in the way. Right there on the bottom lip. There we go. There he is, y'all. Beautiful little carp. I love catching these things. I'll get a picture of him. We'll put him back in. Just looking at it, doesn't look like there's any crossbreeding with mirror carp, which they're in here as well. Very nice. Let me get a picture of him. I'll be right back. It's a little one. Probably about 3, maybe 4 pounds. I'm gonna say more around 3. Let's go ahead and put him back in here. There he goes. he goes. All right. Let's cast out and do it again. Well, if he's on there, he's not fighting too hard. And he's not on there. Oh, guys, that one just took off. Oh, it's a runner. Oh, it's in my other line. Come this way. Oh, it's running pretty good. Oh goodness, it's running really hard. Doesn't want to come to the bank. I haven't even got to see this fish yet. Oh yeah, that's a pretty good sized carp. Pretty good sized carp, pretty good sized carp. There he is. Come on. Come on, big guy. Oh yeah, there we go. There we go. Big fish of the year so far. Whew. Wow. Yeah, it's recording. Good. All right, guys. Good size carp. Perfect catch right there in the corner of the mouth, right on the bottom. Man, he's a chunky fish. I don't know, maybe 7 pounds, maybe 8. Pretty good fish. I don't have a scale, otherwise I'd definitely get a reading on him. He's a little bit worn out. He's a green fish. He's pretty old. Okay, easy. I don't know if you see how fat he is, but he's got some weight to him. There he is. He's free. He's a big guy. Big old slimy fish. All right, guys. There he is. Get a picture of him. Boot for reference. Big old massive carp. Let me readjust my camera. There we go. Yeah. Big old football style. Alright, buddy. We're going. There he goes. And that was the takedown I've been looking for all day. I don't know, I pressed record as soon as I stood up, so I don't know how much you guys heard of it taking off, but it shot off. Probably closer to a 10-pound. I'm gonna have to get a scale. But alrighty, I'm gonna bait back up, cast back out. Today we're using a pack bait for carp fishing. using what is it? Old-fashioned oats with some strawberry mix and a can of corn with the juice. See, that's the second one on it. Got that drum earlier today just on some worms. Still surprised about that, but like I said, everything seems to like a worm, so why not? So we're gonna bait up, cast back out. Yeah, y'all, that was a pretty good fish. Oh, there's a good one. This is on the new reel, so I don't quite have it set up for proper drag. He's started coming right towards me. Another pretty nice fish, really. Oh, the net's all the way up there. May not have to net this one. We might have to. Let's see. Whoops, I did that one. It's like running a circus, a one-man show here sometimes, but that's all right. This one's a beautiful carp. There we go, in the net. All right. Another pretty good carp here, y'all. Just let him sit for a second. Seems like the bite might be picking up. I'd say it was probably less than 10 minutes ago from when that last one got on. His dorsal fin stuck in the net. There we go. Oh yeah. I mean, look how orange he is. He's a pretty fish. Look at this hook set. Perfect. Right there, bottom of the lip. I'm just working on getting that hook out. I need my pliers for him. Another really nice fish. I'd say probably this one is probably about 4 or 5. Another pretty nice one right here. I'll get another photo of this one. I'll send him back. Alrighty. Another really nice fish. Having a good time now. There you go, okay. There he goes. Man, he was a fighter. He was a fighter. Pretty good day. Let's see what time it is, what kind of fishing conditions we're in. It is 3:37. Check the weather here. 61. Let's see. 16-mile-per-hour winds today, it looks like. Let's see, barometric pressure 29.86. So, kind of a perfect time to fish, really. Rather than the wind. You could do without the wind. but the water's not too choppy, so. All right, y'all, just a rundown of how we're fishing here today. So I got this little, I believe it's a size 4 Eagle Claw. Got it tied up on a a knotless rig. You see a lot of YouTubers or fishermen use a hair rig for carp fishing, which is fine. That's obviously the most preferred method. I've actually had a lower success rate, and really when it comes to fishing, it's whatever you're comfortable using, more confident in. But I've had a lower success rate using a hair rig, so I just do a knotless knot there, like you would with a Carolina catfish rig, I guess. But no, I'll just take about 3 pieces of corn from my pack bait. I'll just put it right on the hook. On this specific rig, I'm using a method feeder, which is a spring. I got 3 weights here. This is a 1 ounce, and then these are 2 3/4 ounces. I'm starting to find that a little bit heavier weight. I was just using the 1 ounce, but I'm starting to find with about 2 to 3 ounce weight, I'm getting a little bit better of a hookup. And I'm just using some pack bait here, and again, this is just some old-fashioned oats, packet of strawberry jello, and I found that strawberry or orange I've had better luck with. I've tried watermelon, no luck. I've tried grape, and it does okay, but I've got some strawberry here. Cherry works really good as well. Can of sweet corn, mix it all together. Probably maybe 2 handfuls of just some lake water, just to rejuvenate it every once in a while, make it a little bit sticky again, packs a little bit better. On my other rigs, I'm not using this spring style method feeder. I'm actually putting the bait around the weights, how we're packing it here now. Oh, the rig with the worms is taking off, or at least it just got a really good pull on it. Maybe you heard it in the video. So we'll go ahead, cast this out. Let's go ahead, cast this out. Give some attention to that one over there. Something's definitely going on with it. Let's see what's going on over here. Something's on there. Something's not fighting too hard, but I feeling some tension there. What is that? Is that a little bullhead? Oh, look at that. A little tiny channel. Man, he's young. He's probably less than a year old. That's a very yellow channel cat. What a cutie. Let's go ahead and get the pliers, take him off. Let's see, actually, I put him over here, didn't I? On that last fish. Oh, come on, little guy. Let me in there. There we go. All right, guys. Nice little channel cat. Pretty yellow. Almost leads me to think that there's not quite a bit of or a whole lot of oxygen in the lake, but I don't think that's the case. Really, I don't even have any scientific reason to think that. Just from every lake I've been to that's been low on oxygen, the cats have been kind of a yellowish color. So, all right, let's get a little photo of this guy and we'll throw him back. All right, so we'll put him back, give Dad a call. He's called 3 times now, and every time he has called, got a hookup. So go ahead and put this little channel back. Go on, buddy. There you go. Throw out some more worms for that one. But yeah, not too bad of a bite in the afternoon. Been out here since about 11 or so this morning. Warmest part of the day, so I imagine they're starting to swim around, look for dinner. But all right, guys, I'll catch you all in the next clip. Keep on reeling.